tonight I'm going to go over a separate brand. This is a dehydrated meal. This is by Alpine Aire. And this is creamy beef and noodles with mushrooms. It's got some French words on the back, so I'm assuming that this is a brand that's very popular in Europe. I've pre-made this, so it's been setting with it says 2 cups of water, so that's what I put in it. And it's been sitting for about 15 minutes. So let's see. We've had others that are, beef and noodles in general, but it's never been a cream base. So this kind of has it's like maybe it's a different spin on beef stroganoff, I guess, but it's coming from it's France, so they've maybe spiced it up a little bit. Don't forget what I said in other videos. When you get something and it's a good tool, such as this very long spoon that came from another meal, it's a great additive. I'm definitely going to keep this. Look forward to keeping several of them, actually. All right, so this is what it looks like. You can see the beef, noodles, a little bit of red, like maybe some bell pepper in there. Let's see how it rehydrated. I've had other brands where the beef tastes a little chewy, but this one, it's hydrated. It tastes like, honestly, it tastes like normal beef. It doesn't taste like it was dehydrated at all. Let's see. Now it's not spicy, so I'm gonna take some crushed red pepper from another meal. Just sort of give it just a tiny little kick. Let's try. Let me show you some more of these. These are the beef chunks. Yeah, they rehydrated really well. This is considered 2 servings and 320 servings each, so 640. This is a pretty good amount of calories, actually. But when I go on these hikes and if the temperatures are warmer like they are in the summer, I need more calories. I've noticed that. Or I just start running out of steam. I like to top load my calories in the morning. So I like to, before I start, if I could top load maybe 1,000 calories and maybe drink, I don't know, 16 ounces of water before I even start, getting to the edge of the trail. I prefer to do this, and this is going to get me pretty close to that 1,000 calories. So I might have to have some bag of nuts or something to kind of snack on as I'm getting the gear ready. But this is a pretty good dehydrated meal. New brand, Alpine Aire. I found this at Cabela's, by the way. But I saw this in some other stores. I don't know if it was REI or Walmart or wherever, but I'm starting to see this brand more often. Okay, so if you get a chance, try it out. It's extremely lightweight. It makes it so you can take a ton more food with you than if you're making fresh. Now there is some other options, and we'll go through that as time goes on, because it just kind of depends on your situation. If you're doing short hikes and you're going to be at like a campground, like where I'm at right now, you don't have to go dehydrated. You can go a little fresher and keep some of the more nutrients. But if you're going to be going 10 miles or 20 miles in a day, you need to be able to carry some calories, and it can get heavy. So being light and water is definitely going to be very important too. So you want to be able to not have to use too much water, so you can save it for drinking as well. All right, thank you. Please like and share, and give us some thumbs up on Facebook, and hit the bell on to subscribe for their on YouTube. Thanks, everyone.